car I'm currently building is a 65 Shelby Cobra. And I'm building it in memory of my friend who passed away. So I called the car POWER, which stands for persevere over weakness earns respect. And losing him was a hard time in my life, and building this car is a way of me persevering over that weakness. The car currently has a LS-based engine. It has a push start system that I use from my phone. I can start the car anywhere in the world. Future upgrades I have for it is a D1 Pro charger and other goodies. So please stay tuned. Join me on this journey of building this car and find your perseverance.